Hi, it's Tim Adams with IRP. We hope the IRP and IFTA auditing communities will join us at this year's IFTA and IRP Audit Workshop. The event will take place June 15th through 17th, 2021, with optional content on Monday, June 14th. This workshop is the only educational event specifically for IRP and IFTA auditors. Attend to gain insights into the issues encountered by auditors. This year's agenda includes interactive auditing scenarios, the standardization of electronic audit records ballots, auditing vehicle tracking systems, transportation technology, sampling and projection, and communication techniques. We are grateful to the many hardworking volunteers who have put their time and ideas in to create this great program. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Carmen Martrana, the Executive Director of IFTA Incorporated, coming to you from sunny Arizona. This audit workshop is a product of a long-standing collaboration between IFTA and IRP, going back many years in which we have partnered together for this successful event. In addition, we are very pleased to be partnering together on a new learning management system called the I2 Learning Hub. This I2 Learning Hub platform will support this workshop registration and in the coming months, a very new, innovative, and engaging e-learning product for both the IFTA and IRP communities. We are in the process now of developing content for this new e-learning platform, and believe me, with a lot of help from many working groups comprised of volunteers from both the IFTA and IRP committees. This year, the audit workshop will be held virtually for the very first time in our history. Although we certainly wish we could be together in person, the virtual format is a great way for us to continue to connect and learn from each other. So please keep an eye on your inbox for information regarding the registration for this audit workshop, and we hope to see you virtually in June.